Introducing the world's first smartphone with an advanced water cooling system, the RedMagic 11 Pro revolutionizes mobile gaming. This innovative cooling solution combines liquid and air cooling, ensuring your device remains at optimal performance levels even during the most intense gaming sessions. The system includes a piezoelectric ceramic micropump and micron-level laser-cut channels, allowing for efficient heat dissipation. With this technology, you can enjoy seamless gameplay without the worry of overheating. The RedMagic 11 Pro features a state-of-the-art active cooling fan that spins at an incredible 24,000 RPM. This fan works in tandem with the device's water cooling system to provide unparalleled thermal management. The fan's high speed ensures rapid heat expulsion, maintaining the device's performance during extended gaming sessions. Despite its power, the fan operates quietly, allowing you to focus on your gaming experience without distractions. Setting a new standard for durability, the RedMagic 11 Pro boasts an IPX8 water resistance rating. This means the device can withstand submersion in water, offering protection against accidental spills and exposure to moisture. This feature is a significant upgrade from previous models, ensuring that your gaming sessions are uninterrupted even in less than ideal conditions. The combination of robust design and advanced cooling makes this smartphone a reliable companion for any adventure. Powering the RedMagic 11 Pro is the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, offering unprecedented speed and efficiency. With its 8-core CPU, including 2 prime cores clocked at 4.19 GHz, this chipset delivers exceptional performance for gaming and multitasking. The processor's architecture is designed to maximize power while minimizing energy consumption, ensuring that your device remains responsive and efficient throughout the day. Experience gaming like never before with the RedMagic 11 Pro's full-screen display featuring an under-display camera for a truly immersive experience. The expansive screen offers vibrant colors and sharp details, making it perfect for gaming, streaming, and more. With support for 2K resolution and 144 Hz frame rates, this display provides smooth, lifelike visuals that enhance every aspect of your smartphone experience. Stay in the game longer with the RedMagic 11,000 mAh battery. Designed to keep up with the most demanding users, this battery ensures that your device can handle extended gaming sessions without needing frequent recharges. Coupled with advanced power management features, the battery provides reliable, long-lasting performance so you can focus on what matters most, your game.